How to install a dispenser machine. Take this round white rubber and stick it near the round hole at the bottom of the water container and attach it to the machine and make sure the rubber stick properly. Take the outlet nozzle and handle to install near the dispenser machine. Make sure to install it correctly to avoid leaks. Take the drainage plate and water receiver and make sure to attach them to the correct holes and push down a little to lock. Take the agitator blade and insert the agitator support into the evaporator hole and press it slightly to insert it into the small hole inside to lock it. And lastly, install the inner and outer cover correctly.